Welcome. So today we got a special treat for you guys. We have brand new products that we're going to take out of the box. I've not seen these guys at all yet, other than some old beta ones from back in the day. So these are the brand new Bryant Evolution Connects and Carrier Infinity Touch stats. These replace the existing ones, and we'll actually put one of these on the wall today and show you how it works. But let's open up these boxes and see what they look like inside. So we got some pretty good consumer packaging on here. So if you're showing it to a homeowner, it should be fairly attractive for them. Shows the thermostat and the phone app look the same, have the same kind of screens, right? So let's open this guy up and see what comes in the box. All right, so some marketing stuff on the inside here. Our actual thermostat in the foam wrapping. So this is what the stat looks like. It's a little bigger screen than the one that it was replacing. It does have one of the edges curved, which I'm not sure if I like it yet or not, but we'll see. It's got a motion sensor built in, which is the exciting thing. That'll help us qualify for various utility rebate programs around the country. So if it detects you're in the house, it'll be able to go occupied. If it's not in the house, it'll be able to go unoccupied, right? So we'll open this guy up and mount him in a little bit. Let's see what else came in the box for us. So here's our back plate that has our terminals on it. So our ABCD wiring plus motion sensors if needed. Comes with the usual hardware mounting stuff, drywall anchors and screws if you need them. An ABCD plug if we were to need it, which we don't in this case, but if we needed one at the furnace, it has one in there. And then the actual manuals for the stat, which shouldn't be that exciting, but honestly, the way electronics goes nowadays, if you actually get manuals in the box, that's actually pretty impressive. So we have the owner's manual, which you would leave with the homeowner, shows them how to do their schedules and things like that. The installation manual's in the box here as well. Warranty information, some wiring diagram information if you needed to wire to certain types of equipment. That stuff is in there. And then a quick start type guide is in the box as well. All right, so you can kind of walk through the process on there and how to set up your stat. So that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and install this guy. So it's all mounted on the wall. We did the basic startup. If you're not familiar with how to start these up, we have other videos on that. The process is the same as the thermostat that it replaces. So the main new things on this particular stat, like we showed you when we took it out of the box, it looks different. You probably noticed that the screen is actually physically larger than the screen of the predecessor stat. It is more responsive, the screen itself, right? It's a newer type of technology, so everything moves quickly. As I click on stuff, it comes up really quick compared to the old screen. It also has this built-in occupancy detection sensor on here. So that's used to put our schedule into occupied or unoccupied mode, whether we're home or not, based on us moving. And in this case, the downstairs zone has a little green dot on it. That means that even though I'm in the away mode or in a specific manual setting mode, it knows that I'm home because of the occupancy sensor. So it turns that green and it goes to my normal occupied set points instead of my unoccupied set points. So my home set points instead of my away set points. All the other screens, you'll find, if you're familiar with the predecessor stats, the Evolution Connects and the Infinity Touch, the screens are all the same. Everything looks exactly the same as before. So if you're familiar with it, you already know how to use it, you already know how to navigate it. No big deal there. Everything's exactly the same except for the new occupancy detection and the new screen itself. And then the third thing that really changed on it is it has a much faster Wi-Fi chip. When I hooked this one up to Wi-Fi, it was on like that. It was really quick. So it's a little bit sexier stat, a little bit newer stat, but if you're familiar with the old one, you should be good.